Hey guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Have I ever said that? I don't know. I don't think I've ever welcomed you guys. My bad. Welcome. Today's video is going to be another Poshmark video. I'm going to tell you guys why I think right now is the best time to sell stuff on Poshmark, and I'm going to give you guys little tips and tricks on how to maximize your sales. So what happens in February and like in March and like early April? Well, if you live in New England like I do, you know, it's still winter time. We have gotten a lot of snow this month actually. My son has had 3 snow days this month so far, which is insane. And you know, sometimes it snows all the way up until freaking April 1st. My husband and I got married on April 1st, 2017. And there was a huge friggin' snowstorm on April 1st. We got literally like 8 inches of snow on our wedding day. Like, what? Okay, so what are the reasons why I think this is a really, really good time to sell things? Well, we're getting close to spring. If you live in New England like me, we're not even close to spring yet. But I feel like people, I mean, I know I am, are still in the mindset of like spring cleaning. So with that being said, a lot of people are gonna be donating clothes. So the thrift stores are gonna be jam-packed this time of year. My husband and I are actually going on a big sourcing trip this weekend. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Another thing that happens in the springtime is it's tax season. You know, depending on your personal situation, that could either be a horrible thing because you have to pay taxes, or it could be a great thing because you'll get money back from the government. I don't know about you guys, but I know a bunch of people that like to ball out when they get their tax return money back. It's like they go ham for like a month. You know, they buy new electronics, maybe even a new car, lots of clothes. Clothes? Now is a great time to sell because people are getting their tax return money back. I've already had a handful of people on Poshmark tell me that they want to purchase stuff from my closet once they get their tax return money back. My biggest advice right now is to go out and look for spring and summer clothes now. Even though it's February, go out and look for them now. You want to be prepared. Even though it's February, we've got spring break coming up. A lot of people go on vacations during spring break. A lot of people go to warmer climates during spring break. Like, I don't know, I think I'm one of the few that would like go on like a snowboarding trip during spring break. I think that would be really fun. Oh, snowboarding. If you're new to my channel, I love snowboarding. I used to go, this was like pre-kids, pre-toddlers. So I still had my son, but he was in school every day and I was working from home and I would go snowboarding almost every single day. And I did that for a couple years. I miss it. I miss snowboarding. I think I went once last year. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna happen this year. I don't know. But anyway, when you go thrifting, look for spring and summer clothes now. Personally, I look for spring and summer clothes all year round. I don't specifically shop for the season. I talked about this in a previous video. Like, you know, it's winter time still. My main focus will be on winter clothes, but I still search for other clothes too. And the thought is still in the back of my mind that, hey, spring's coming up soon. You know, I wanna be prepared. So like I said, a lot of people are donating clothes, you know, spring cleaning. Whew, guys, thrift stores are great right now. They are. I'm just gonna tell you guys a few of my favorite tips on how to get sales. First thing is to follow as many people as you can. I've talked about these in previous videos, but we're just gonna recap. Follow as many people as you can. That was one of the things that I did that really amped up my closet, that really started to bring me more sales. Another tip is to communicate with potential buyers. If somebody likes something, add it to a bundle. Send them a comment. Say, hey, I see that you like this. You know, if you offer a bundle discount, like my bundle discount is 10% off 2 items or more, I tell them that, hey, if you wanted to bundle this with something else, I could give you, you know, 10% off. Or, you know, if you want to give them a shipping discount, tell them that, but communicate with your buyers. Because think about it, wouldn't you be more apt to purchase something from someone that, like, talks to you as opposed to someone that doesn't? The usual share your closet, which, you know, that'll always be a great tip. This video is all over the place. It's actually Valentine's Day today. and my youngest is napping right now. My oldest is at school, and my 2 middle girls are very nicely playing in the other room. So I'm like, I'm gonna film a video. My husband and I are actually going out on a date tonight, which is so exciting because we never go out. It's just the 2 of us, like, ever. Our dates usually consist of like going to the thrift stores and sourcing, but we bring our 4 kids with us. So, you know, it's not really much of like a, you know, lovey-dovey romantic date. It's more like, husband, did you pack snacks? Like a lot of snacks? Because if you didn't, I'm probably gonna kill you because they need snacks. So on the flip side of spring cleaning, like not only are people, you know, getting rid of their old clothes, people are wanting to buy new clothes too. You know, spring cleaning isn't just, well, in my opinion, it's not just like, you know, getting rid of stuff. It's bringing new things into your life as well. Take that into consideration too. This video is kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to make it and tell you guys right now really is a great time to sell your clothes because you've got a change of season, first of all. People are going to be looking for a new wardrobe because, you know, spring cleaning, and people are going to have money in their pockets because Uncle Sam. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I will link my Poshmark reselling playlist down below if you guys want to go check it out and see my other videos. If you guys have a suggestion on a type of Poshmark or reselling video that you want me to make, comment down below and I would, you know, I'll take it into consideration. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to join, you can use my code KEEPINITRAD and you will get a $10 credit. I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.